Have you ever felt like your car isn't performing like the brochure promised? Today we reveal the 5 biggest tricks car manufacturers use to control your choices, from fake horsepower numbers to intentionally short-life parts and updates that slow your car down. A shocking automotive truth exposed episode. Have you ever wondered why your car suddenly feels weaker? Or why a feature you paid for doesn't actually do much? Today I'm exposing the top 5 tricks car companies use to make you buy more and trust them more, while hiding the real story. Let's begin. Trick number 1. Horsepower numbers aren't real. Many companies claim 300 horsepower, but those numbers are often measured without real-world components. No alternator, no cooling system, no real exhaust, no cabin load. So a 300 HP car on paper is more like 260 HP in reality. Why do they do it? Because big numbers sell. Trick number 2. Fake driving modes, Sport, Eco. The Sport mode button in many cars does not add real power. It simply changes the throttle sensitivity, so you feel like the car is stronger. A psychological trick, and a very effective one. Trick number 3. Parts designed to fail. Yes, some manufacturers intentionally design parts with short lifespans. Air filters, O2 sensors, ignition coils, fuel pumps, spark plugs. Why? Because maintenance profits are bigger than car sales profits. The car is a product, but the maintenance is a subscription. Trick number 4. Updates that slow your car down. Some companies release safety updates that secretly reduce acceleration or battery performance.